The circuit for Arduino Project 2 was assembled by Jean-Marie Mendiola, who followed the instructions provided in the Arduino project's book. Jean-Marie Mendiola began by establishing the power connection from the Arduino to the breadboard, as directed. He then proceeded to install the 3 LEDs, 1 green and 2 red, according to the book's guidance. For each LED, he correctly connected the cathode through a 220 ohm resistor to ground. Following the wiring diagram, the anode of the green LED was wired to digital pin 3 on the Arduino, while the anodes of the 2 red LEDs were connected to digital pins 4 and 5. Next, Jean-Marie Mendiola integrated the push-button switch onto the breadboard as specified in the project instructions. He connected one side of the switch to the power rail and the other side to digital pin 2. A critical part of this step, detailed in the book, was his correct installation of the 10K ohm pull-down resistor from the switch's signal pin to ground. By meticulously following the Arduino project's book, Jean-Marie Mendiola has successfully completed the physical construction for Project 2. The circuit is now fully prepared for the next phase.
Coding was done by Norway Mangaranka, using the code from the Arduino project's book.
The hardware for Project 3 was assembled by Ian Modiak, following the instructions from the Arduino project's book. Ian Modiak wired the power and ground to the breadboard. He then connected 3 LEDs to digital pins 2 through 4, with each cathode connected to ground through a 220 ohm resistor. Finally, Ian Modiak correctly installed the TMP36 temperature sensor, connecting its output to analog pin AE0 on the Arduino. The physical build for Project 3, completed by Ian Modiak, is now ready.
Coding was done by Norway Mangaranka, using the code from the Arduino project's book.
The hardware for Project 3 was assembled by Raven Anabiza, following the instructions from the Arduino project's book. Raven Anabiza set up the 3 photoresistors with their voltage divider circuits, connecting them to analog pins 0, 1, and 2. Each sensor was then covered with its respective red, green, and blue color gel filter. Finally, Raven Anabiza correctly installed the common cathode RGB LED, connecting its pins to digital PWM pins 9, 10, and 11 through 220 ohm resistors. The physical build for Project 3, completed by Raven Anabiza, is now ready.
Coding was done by Norway Mangaranka, using the code from the Arduino project's book.